have been missing for a long time on YouTube and also on Instagram. I was on and off, but finally I'm here with a video where I was, what was I doing, what did I do to my skin. All of that we'll talk about in a separate video. And for now, let's jump in right into what we are here today for. Before we begin, guys, let's get into some of the rituals of this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more makeup and skincare related videos and hit the notification bell to review this baby right here, and I'll tell you how I liked it or I didn't. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I have been using it for over a week now, and I think I can give you a fair idea of if I like this brow pencil or not. I've been using the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil and I absolutely love it, but since Anastasia Beverly Hills launched in India a couple of months back during July, and it is exclusively available at all Sephora stores and Sephora online, so I thought to give it a try. The product comes in a standard cardboard packaging, and all the details of the product is written on the cardboard package. ABH is a cruelty-free brand for those of you who don't know. The pencil is a very fine, thin pencil which is inside the packaging, and the brand name, the shade name, the quantity of the product, etc. is mentioned on the pencil as well. You get zero point 0.08 grams of product. Yes, you heard it right. It is the same quantity as the Benefit Precisely My Brows pencil, but this one comes for 2280 rupees, whereas the Benefit pencil comes for 2390 rupees, so not much of a difference. The tip of the pencil is really fine and it's ideal for making thin hair like strokes for your brows. So people who have very thin sparse eyebrows can actually go for these kind of pencils because they will give you a natural looking brow. The color of the pencil is also taupey brown, so it's not too reddish, it's not too blonde. It gives the perfect brow hair color. I personally like the pencil more because of its texture, because it's not too pigmented and slightly more waxy. So it gives you the right color payoff and right pigmentation for your brow hairs, and does not give you clown like brows. If you would want to invest in a good brow pencil and if you have sparse eyebrows, I would highly recommend this brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can also try some drugstore products, but I have somehow not liked any drugstore brow products so much that I would repurchase, and till now I have been repurchasing the Benefit Precisely My Brows, but I guess this brow pencil is my new favorite and I would continue to use this. I usually set my brows after this pencil using my Makeup Forever brow gel, but if you don't like that, you can keep it just the pencil. The spoolie at the other end of the pencil is really handy because it's quite sturdy and soft as well. It is not too harsh, and you can brush your brow hair using the spoolie. You need not carry a separate spoolie. So I find the pencil quite travel friendly as well. So that was my small little review of the ABH Brow Wiz, guys. Hope you liked it. The only con being the price. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.